The churning resumed, and soon it was time for the treasures to emerge. This video is based on the Bengali Mahabharata as retold by Kashidas. First, the moon rose into the sky fully formed and luminous. The moon is described as having 16 phases, the 15 we see as it waxes and wanes, and one eternal perfect phase that remains full and complete, representing the moon's pure essence. Next came the creatures. There was Airavata, a majestic four-tusked white elephant, a symbol of power and strength. He was swiftly followed by a seven-headed horse, Uchcheshavas, which signifies vitality and speed. The gifts of nature followed, including the Parijat tree. Finally, Dhanvantari emerged holding a sacred vessel. He was immediately followed by a cascade of precious items, including the dazzling Kaustbha Gem. The continued churning of the ocean became so violent that the sea itself grew distressed. It called out for aid. Following suggestions from the others present, the ocean prepared a magnificent royal palanquin. And from the deep waters, seated in this palanquin and holding lotus flowers in her hand, emerged Lakshmi, glowing brightly. Lakshmi represents the fundamental concepts of prosperity, harmony, well-being, and balance in the world. When Vishnu welcomed her, equilibrium and stability were restored. Beyond the surface, this retelling of the churning of the ocean differs from many other versions, like that of the Vyasa's Mahabharata. The next video will deep dive into Kashidas' interpretation. Subscribe now so you don't miss that.